When it comes to gaming chairs, Hoffree has some great stylish options to choose from. And in this video, I'll highlight the features and show you the complete assembly instructions. This model is all black, but there are also different colors and patterns available. And as you can see, it has a cool hexagonal design on the seat and backrest. It includes a lumbar support pillow that I feel is really necessary with this chair. And when I sit in it, it helps to adjust the back pillow a bit for the best comfort. It's a roomy chair and I don't feel constrained when I'm at the computer. The armrests are nicely padded and large enough to wrap around the entire plastic arm frame underneath. This particular Hoffree gaming chair is priced at about $170, and I'll list it in the description so it's easy for you to find. This is one of their more basic chairs, but they do have models that include LED lights and also built-in Bluetooth speakers. It comes unassembled, but it's actually really easy to put together. All the parts are packed tightly in the box, and by following along you won't even need the instruction manual. And even though they included a pack of screws, I actually really didn't even need any of them. That's because the screws are already in place on all the various parts of the chair. Starting with the footrest, I'll take out the 2 screws in the back. Then I'll attach the support beams. On the seat there are 8 screws that I need to take out. I started out using the included Allen wrench, but it took too much time, so having a drill driver really helped speed up the assembly. As mentioned before, I didn't even need the screws in the packaging because there were already screws in place. At this point, take out the side screws. Of course, later all these screws will need to go back in, so it helps to keep track of them. Now in the small box, find the 2 plastic brackets. These pieces attach to the front end of the seat. Taking the assembled footrest, insert the 2 bars into the plastic pieces and slide it all the way back. Now find the post mechanism. This part attaches to the opposite end of the footrest. You'll be able to line it up with the screw holes in the bottom of the seat. And of course, attaching this is faster using my drill. Once that's done, it's time to attach the wheels to the stand. When all the wheels are attached, grab the center post. It'll go into the chair stand with the orange part pointing up. Now carefully place the seat onto the center post. Okay, moving on to the backrest. On this piece, remove the screws on the sides. And then on the back, remove the 3 screws found under the Velcro flap. At this point, locate the metal T-bar. Place it over the 3 screw holes with the red tape facing up. Start off by only finger tightening these screws. Then, I can use my drill to secure them in place. This chair is now starting to actually take shape. Here, insert the backrest into the bracket behind the seat. Then, tighten the knob to hold it in place. In the next part, I'll attach the armrests. They're clearly labeled left and right so you know where they go. Starting with the left side, I'll attach it to the chair. Now I'll do the same with the right side. I'd say you need about 20 minutes to fully put this together. The last thing to do is put the pillows in place. Now that it's done, I found that the Hoffree chair is a great addition to my gaming setup. It has a great look and feels really comfortable. Height is fully adjustable as you would expect. And the lumbar pillow actually has a massaging feature. But you do need to plug it into a USB power source in order to make it work. And finally, here's how the footrest slides out. You can then recline the seat back and relax or take a nap right at your desk. If this video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on all my product reviews and tech tutorials.